Have a quite a brave story. I mean, you're exiled at the end of 2022 during a time of nationwide unrest. You were talking about the brave Iranian people not sitting quietly, starting a new revolution, and called on Israel to continue to support the anti-Iranian regime protests. So, are you surprised at what we've seen just in this last story, just from the graffiti and everything within Iran?
So, yeah, firstly, I want to talk about the people who is in the streets. And actually, everybody knows who these people are and how they dress, and with a special beard, and with also actually motorcycle. I think you saw some videos on social media after Iran attacked Israel. So then I want to say that most of them are member of Sepah and Basij, and which they are getting paid for. They get paid for this stuff, and or sometimes they collect the children from the school and bring them to the streets, and most of them are between 14 to 25 years old, which they are really young, and I believe that nobody came to the streets by their own choice.
Interesting. So that said, given the graffiti and the other things that we've talked about, is there the civil unrest in the past year and a half since you left Iran? Has it been growing? Is momentum growing that now they feel maybe safe and an opportunity to express themselves now that the world is really watching?
So of course, yes. So I believe that the revolution will happen, but even now in this sensitive situation. But actually, Iranians don't care. So of course, Iranian people love the Israelis people, and we don't have. We are not the enemy of the Israeli people. Of course, the only thing is, as everybody knows, is the government. But but I think now we have a young and knowledgeable generation, and now Islamic Republic is weaker than ever. Than 45 years old, so now is the exact moment that we can do something. But I think if we think that revolution like a bomb, so we just need a spark for explosion. Then the revolution will gonna happen, of course. But I think it will happen only with the help of the foreign governments, and yeah, that's it.
And also, listen, we're hearing a lot of voices, even since October 7th, of Iranians that living outside of Iran, really speaking at even pro-Israel rallies. We've seen this throughout the UK. Also, a lot of women, which is quite notable. So obviously, being able to speak against the regime. There's also a case of volleyball player Movina Rostami, who spoke from inside Iran on the night of April 13th, writing, "You should know that the people in Iran love Israel and hate the Islamic Republic," and she has since disappeared. What more can we, is there reason to fear the worst?
So actually, Movina is not the only one who these things have been happened to. But actually, after Iran attacked to Israel, the Iranian government sent a text message to all the people of Iran, and they said you don't have to share anything on social media. And the issue of Israel is very, very important for the Iranian regime. And the Islamic Republic doesn't want that Iranian people and also Iran to do anything with the Israeli people. And they're really afraid of that. And so even when I was in Iran, so I follow some Israeli athletes only in social media. So, but as soon as my coach and the officials from the federation knows, and they say you're not allowed to use anything from social media for 6 months. And I think it also happened to Movina Rostami. And but today I saw a video from her, and she was very, very. She had a lot of stress today. And I saw then she said, apologize, and it's not my fault, and my Instagram has been hacked, and it was not me. But I'm sure, and everybody knows that what happened to her and where she is now. So we don't know where, but of course we know where she is.
Wow. All right. Thank you very much for joining us and for your bravery. You're a brave man, Alireza Bahranifard. Thank you very much. Also,
For having me.
of course, thank you.